we had a blockage in the Chocolate River. One of the loopers got stuck and we had to clear the pipes. You must be here for the tour. Welcome to the wonderful world of Pacific Plumbing Supply Company. There you go. How's it? It's good. Between now and October 15th, and you will get a chance to... Our mission today is to search through the DC. So close, I was on a roll.
Urge to pull out your hair.
Why do you need this for this week?
Transport you anywhere in the... Anywhere in the... Anywhere in the... Anywhere. Hey, Mike, you have a good weekend? Yeah, I had a great weekend. Yeah, did you do anything fun? Yeah, I rode some ATVs and had a great time. That's great.
Do you mean the golden ticket you were entered to win when you... Do you mean the golden ticket you were entered to win?
You're just a man that looks like Jesus talking about faucets.
It's not real.